STS TV, STS TV, STS TV, STS TV. Let's get it. What you thought we was gonna drop? Yeah, we back. Um, Also go follow the X account. We had 130 followers already in what a week. So we had 130 followers over there. 500 we getting paid, right? So let's get it. Bitcoin price forecast. Also, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Bitcoin forecast, man. Bitcoin today hit what it was the highest. I think 107. We know this is coming in. Ain't no surprise. People acting on surprise, but we know it's good, right? So Bitcoin price reaches an all-time new high of 106,648 on Monday, but it retreat afterwards. Oh man, there was so much FOMO and just craziness going on Twitter. The U.S. federal and lies, a lot of false prices that wasn't even met yet. I think I saw the highest was like 111. The U.S. Federal Reserve is widely expected to cut interest rates on Wednesday, but the outlook for 2025 is uncertain. Now, this is where BITO comes in, right? So that's the ETF that tracks Bitcoin. Now, let me let you know this and get this through your clear. So shout out to Da Vinci. You know what I mean? Jeremy Da Vinci. I like saying where I get my information from. That way, if you steal from me, you tell me where you got it from, right? Um, the homie was like, he said with Bitcoin, the Bitcoin ETF, that ETF does not buy you actual Bitcoin. It doesn't actually get you any token or pieces or Satoshis. What that does, it tracks the price of the Bitcoin and then it mirrors it in the ETF. You know what I mean? So when the Bitcoin rises, like that ETF is booming right now. I'm invested in it. You know what I mean? It's booming right now because Bitcoin is up, right? So technical indicators show signs of a bearish divergence or whatever on the side, right? Bitcoin on the ball that bro. Price retreats on Monday after reaching an all-time new high of 106,648. So that's the all-time high. The main factor impacting Bitcoin price this week is likely to be a decision of the U.S. Federal Reserve on interest rates on Wednesday. The U.S. Central Bank is expected to slash rates, a positive for risk assets such as Bitcoin, but also signal fewer than previous anticipated cuts in 2025. The recent rally to a new all-time high has been supported by continuing strong inflows to the U.S. spot ETF, BITO, of 2.17 billion last week. Ooh, that BlackRock. Still, traders should remain cautious as technical indicators such as relative strength index and yada yada yada. Bitcoin been to zero, now it's at 100,000. It ain't no volatile. It's volatile, but it's going up. Bitcoin reaching all-time new high. According to CME's Fed Watch tool, which tracked the probability of change in the Fed rate, there's a 97.1 likelihood of a 25 basis point cut, while the remaining 2.9% points for the rate of the remaining are stable. So it might drop. That's what they're trying to say. Interest rates cuts tend to be favor risky assets like Bitcoin because lower interest rates tend to stimulate the economy. However, markets react to Wednesday's federal decision isn't likely to drive by the rates itself. Yeah, I got you. If these projections reflect slower or fewer rate cuts next year, Treasury yields and the U.S. dollar will likely be stronger, making it harder for risk assets, including Bitcoin, to be more attractive. That's what he's saying, man. Y'all gotta deal with that inflation first, buddy. That sound hot, but man, Bitcoin here to stay. We know it is. Just a little article, just a little video. You know what I'm saying? I gotta run the watch time up. You know how that go. Gotta keep it going, man. Lay a brick a day, man. Lay a brick a day. Go follow the X account. It's growing over there. We looking good. Go follow the Twitter. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get